Welcome everyone. Today we are moving on to part 2 of how to write a DBQ, breaking down the documents. Quick review. Number 1, read the question. Break down what the question is asking you to do. 2, write a preliminary thesis. Answer the question. 3, brainstorm outside information. Anything you can think of, write it down. And 4, organize the essay. Easy, quick, structured outlines. The question here is, to what extent is it justified to characterize the industrial leaders of the 1865-1900 era as either robber barons or industrial statesmen? So as we look at how to break down the documents, you want to find the most important points and underline the key words and or phrases to give you the information and evidence to answer the question. Couple options for understanding documents are SOAPs or soapstones, plus minus charts, 3 levels of questions. These are just examples of ways to break down the documents. Here's an example of a document from the document question that we had previously started. As you read a document, it is important to pull out the key parts to use to support the thesis. One example from here that we can use is, as you read through here, because to make the money honestly is to preach the gospel. The men who get rich may be the most honest men you find in the community. After reading that, what does it mean? Does this show the industrial leaders are robber barons or industrial statesmen? From here, it looks like it shows that they are industrial statesmen helping out society. Another example of a document is a political cartoon. Here is a political cartoon dealing with the Senate. And as you can see, we know it's the Senate from the sign up above. This is a Senate of the monopolists, by the monopolists, for the monopolists. The men standing in the back are in money bags. So as you look at the people in the back, they are the ones that tell you that they are in control, as they are large, overlooking everyone else. You have the Steel Beam Trust, the Copper Trust, the Standard Oil Trust. They are large money overlooking smaller people in the desks. Who are these people in the desks? Well, what room are we in? We're in the Senate, so they are senators. Who has control? The trusts, the monopolists, big business control politics. If you look at the door in the top left-hand corner, right up here, right above it says the People's Entrance, and on the door says closed. What does that mean? This means that the people have no voice. This cartoon can provide a great deal of evidence in analysis of the question. Does this show the industrial leaders are robber barons or industrial statesmen? In this case, it would show that they are robber barons, as they control politics and tell people what to do and how to do it. And the workers have no say in what goes on. Now you can write a final thesis and begin writing the essay itself.